Hey guys, it's Kinky Rubycheez. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a short video. I'm going to be trying out this detangler that's been the rave around the whole internet and everything. So I saw this detangler. It's by a company called Detangler, I guess. I ordered it like a week ago. Yeah, this is how it looks. So I've been seeing a lot of videos about this type of detangler. I guess there are different companies that sell the same thing. I got this for like $14. Yeah, and that's it. I just want to see if it works. I just want to see if it's worth the hype. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So guys, my hair is dry and nasty and dry. That's what's happening right now. It's dry. As you can see, it was in a twist out. After I twisted my hair and leaving it in for like 3 weeks, I just loosened it and I kept it in the twister for a while. See, yeah. So so flaky, and it's dry, so dry. I need to really wash this hair. So I'm going to part my hair into two. This one to this side, and I'm going to split this one into two. So splitting. Hey guys, my hair is flaky and dry. This is the best. Now this is what I can use to see if this thing actually works. My dry matted, see, it's crazy. So now I'm going to take a little section and work with that section. That's a little section. And clip this out of the way. So I'm starting with this. I'm starting with this side. I have my spray bottle because I'm not going to try it on dry hair. I'm have my spray bottle. I'm just going to spritz a little bit of water. Just mist it on my hair. Work that in. And now I'm going to add my Talia Wajid Great Detangler. Almost finished, guys. Almost finished. Just work that into. Kind of go in with my fingers to loosen up those twists, I guess. And work the product in. Spritz again. You want to make sure your hair is saturated. I'm going to carry the brush. Guys, I'm just doing that guy. I don't understand. Are you guys seeing this? Did I use juju on this thing? Hey, God. Oh my gosh. Are you guys seeing how it's gliding through my hair? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This has to be the best detangler ever. How did it come come up with this science, or I don't even know. Oh. You guys, I'm almost done detangling that section. That is it. I'm done. I'm done. So I'm just going to twist up this side and do the same thing for the rest of my hair. This is the best detangling brush ever. I am not going back to it. That my other ridiculous brush. This is like the best brush ever. I can't believe that it went through my hair like that. I'm confused, I'm perplexed, I'm stunned. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, that was it. Wow. And this, and this what came out from that section. Guys, my hair has been in this state for like almost a month or more than a month, and this is it. Wow, this is crazy. I'm impressed. EZ Detangler. I have nothing to say. I'm still in shock. So you guys, please bear with me, or bear with me. Is it bear with me or bear with me? I think it's bear with me. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to do the rest of my hair, and I'm going to come back with my final review. If you guys don't even know the review already, because I just finished being stunned. This detangler is like a great detangler, but I'm going to go, and finish the whole of my hair, and I'll be back to tell you guys how I feel. And I feel great. So guys, I'm here with my final review. I think this detangling brush is awesome. Like, I really love this detangling brush. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, but I really love this detangling brush, and I think it's, efficient. It manages time very well, because if I wasn't like recording this video, I would have been done in like 15 minutes with like my tangled, knotted, crazy dry hair. And so I think it helps with wash days to make the time a little bit shorter. You can tell I really love this brush, and I'm going to be sticking to this brush. I don't think I'm going to use any other detangling brush or comb or anything. And I think the reason why this is so perfect for detangling the hair is because it's flexible, it's not stiff in like one place, so you don't have to struggle, because every strand of hair detangles in its own time, I guess, and this makes it easier for it to pass through the hair. Yeah, that's my review. I told you it's going to be a very short video. If you have any questions, please comment down below, subscribe, click that notification bell, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.